how to create a gradient shape in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here and of course open our Canva website and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So just go into the project wherein you want to edit the gradient shape. So what we're going to do next is to click the elements in this part. Once you click that, you will see these shapes right here. So what we're going to do is to click see all. And then once you click that, you will see a bunch of shapes that you can choose. So let's say, for example, that we want to use the circle shape right here. Now, to make it into a gradient shape, the next thing that we need to do is to click the color right here. So just click the color right there. What we're going to do next is to go into this part. Now, you will see that we now have a bunch of gradient colors that we can choose from. So just click see all right here, and you will also see a lot of gradient that you can choose. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this color right here. So you can just click that. And as you can see, we now have turned the shape into a gradient shape. Now, if you want to edit the gradient color, you can also do that by just clicking into this one again. And then click the color right here. So just click that one right there. You can adjust the color by just clicking into this part. So let's say, for example, that we want to make it more bluish. So you can do that by dragging this into this part. And let's say, for example, that we want to make this a little bit lighter, like that. So you can also do that right there. And as you can see, the color of the gradient is now changing. So you can do that however you want to. You can also change the style. So you can click this one, this one, this one, and this one. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to create gradient shape in Canva.